All right, so last time I did one of these project ones, helped out a lot of people, so let's just keep doing them. I'm gonna do it exactly how they want to do it, so just in case if your teacher does say something, then at least you got it right. All right, so let's jump into it. Here's some examples right quick. So when we run it, obviously, if the mouse is, actually, oh wow, interesting. Let's just move them out to shake the president. All right, that's pretty cool. All right, let's go ahead and just run through. So the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and do what? Get you a background color. I don't know why. I personally don't like background colors, but whatever. Just let's keep it simple. I'm here to take that off right quick. All right, and then let's do it green. Surprise. I hate background colors, whatever. We'll work on that. We'll do all the challenges and stuff afterwards. But we got our background color. All right, that's what they wanted, right? After we got our background laid out, what's the next thing you want us to do? Add a sprite in there? Add a sprite, yay! So let's go ahead and get our sprite, var. All right. I don't know what to get on this one. Let's get somebody's face. Ooh. This is random. Like, it's. Oh, all right. What name's got O? It says animation. All right, and so boof. We should have. Oh, the only thing that we don't have is we have. There we go. Ooh. All right, so obviously this is too big. I don't know if they're going to say that, do that or not, but we can go ahead and do it. Get that scale. Let's drop this thing down to 1. And it should resize it for us. And if it doesn't do it, let's drop that down to 0.5. Now I'll do the same thing too. All right, there we go. Still a little too big. Let's just do 2. That's a big face. All right, cool. That's a little bit more simple. All right, we'll leave it right there for right now. So again, we got our background first. We got our set sprite. I'm gonna probably do a short about how to like add a sprite. So easy. All right, and then of course we did the draw a sprite in here, so they actually draw it. All right, next thing, what they want us to do. They want us to go do the key down or push down and have that amazing wonderful thing. All right, so let's do if statement. Let me see how far we can go with this. All right, cool. All right. So we got that, and let's just for purposes, let's go ahead and get a key. Let's do a mouse down for this one, so it don't look weird. So mouse down, left click, and is that all they want? They want us to actually put a thing in there or not? We'll do a mouse down. So, okay, boom, get the mouse down if necessary. All right, we'll leave that alone. So, next one. I know they wanted to do something, add a condition to it, plus, minus, whatever. All right, cool. So in this case, we're gonna make this man chickle. Let's go. So here we go. We will do the X, and let's give him a random. Wait, tell me, what do y'all want to do? I should ask people in the comments what we want to make this guy do. But let's just keep it simple. All right, so we're gonna have this guy. He can just shake a little bit. It'll be all right. Random X position, 100 into 110. All right. Now, with that being said, we are going to have to put him at 100 so it looks kind of appropriate. So again, right now, oh yeah. Yo, this is hilarious. Oh. All right, I'm not gonna. Again, I'm not gonna. Let me lower this down because I know it'll tell me added text. All right. Oh yeah. All right. And then let's go and what's the next thing they want us to do? This is actually not even that hard to be honest. All right. Next thing they want us to do after we had this if statement is get your final touches. They want you to add an additional image to your sprite, add a subtitle, some sound effects, and all this good stuff. Now, I am not going to go above and beyond because I want y'all to pass. But let's go ahead and get another sprite. We're going to copy this one and we're going to paste it for time purposes. All right. The only difference is we're not going to call it, hold on right quick. Let's do the same thing for the if statement. Look at it. You get a disco light. All right. And so now that we have all that stuff there, let's change this sprite location to 300. We're going to get another sprite. So let's go find his buddy. We got O and oh, I think someone already has the animation. I don't know. Let me see. Some of these already have animations, like pre-bit animations. I'm going to show you this just so I don't think they will let me do this. They won't let me do the animation part on here, would they? No, they won't. No, they won't. On the other one, in the actual like game lab, you can actually make this animate, but they won't let us animate it. Cool, whatever. We don't have to worry about that. Let's just add him to the scene. I really don't want to add him because he's kind of whack. All right, let me just go add somebody else because I don't. That kind of ruined it. Like I said, most of them have animations that are attached to them. You'll see it with like the alien and stuff like that. Let's get your cousin. I kind of like this person. Yeah, that's cool. All right. So that's O, and this is going to be D. So O and D. OD, overdoing it. All right, and then let's change your face to, what is he, 7? And so this is how it looks. So click down, boom. All right, and then we're gonna do something different for him. When we get let's hit the space bar. Key down, it can be up, that's fine. And so right now, if you click the mouse and press up, all right, oh, we gotta change this one. The two people would like just dance. I might just do the same thing for both of them versus trying to like reinvent the wheel. Actually, let's do that. And so if you just click down, both of them do a little dance. Let's go get a speaker. Because I know they got a speaker someplace. All right, cool. That's pretty dope. All right, let's go get that. We're going to have to add another one. I know I said I was going to keep it short, but I don't want you to have, like, trash. Now, when you really have a real one, I would highly recommend to, like, I would highly recommend that you go and get a background for it. It's going to make it look a lot better than what it is right now. I mean, but for time purposes right now, I mean, you don't need a background, but I prefer a background. Let's get this up to 200 so you can see the speaker in the background. All right, and then I think they said you wanted some type of text and sound effects. So let's go get a sound. So when it plays, and then hit choose. They already got some like pre-built sounds already. Let's go back. I'm pretty sure they got like some background music or something like that. They got anything for adventure or something like that. You can't import your own, but you have to like, I don't know how to explain it. Like basically, if you import your own, you will have to like basically knock down the file size so it can actually work. If not, then it won't it won't actually let it upload because the file too big. Now they could have an update to this and make it a little bit more. It could be better, but the last time I checked, you won't be able to do it. But I would say just check. Oh yes, don't you feel that? Hold on, right quick. Oh yeah. Oh, I know y'all feel that. All right. Oh yeah, this is gonna be crazy. All right. Let's do S for speaker. Oh yeah. See, this is why I can't do stuff like this because I'll get addicted. All right. Anyway. And then let's go ahead and get a. What's going on? Let's get another. Let's go ahead and get this. And we're going to paste it twice. I'm going to tell you why. We're going to do one for the X, and then we're going to do one for the Y. And then we're going to put a text on this, and we'll be done. All right, and so let's put that Y on there. All right, and then this one, just take out that. Let's put the S and do the same thing for here. All right, and that's it. I think we're going to add a text on it and then a call wrap. But this is what we're going to do. We're gonna, when we press up, we want it to actually like jam. You know what I mean? So I said jam. Oh, that sounds so old. All right, let's go get our text. We got a text. Let's add that over here. We can do yeah. Keep that. That's fine. Where our text at? Text. Text. That's text size. Text font. Text. There we go. Text. And then we're gonna go ahead and let's just do. We can just do 200 and then do the Y at 100. And let's give it a color. Let's go for yellow. I'm pretty sure it's already pre-made already in there. Yep. And font size. We are gonna need that. Should have had that before. Let's do 30. No, make it a little bigger. We do 50. All right, so boom, and all that looks good. Let's take this and scale that back a little bit, so 150. Because the reason why it's over there, because like, you know what I'm saying, the font size is big, so if it was smaller, it'd have been fine. All right, boom. Oh, wrong one, sorry. What was it? It wasn't background color, it was fill. Fill is yellow. All right, let's try it one more time, boom. All right, and then if we hold this, but when we hit this, oh, hold on. Hold on. All right, let's, what is it, for the speaker is 200. So again, so 200, and then 200, 210, and just do the same thing. All right. So again, if I press up, oh wow. All right, so a couple things right quick. The easiest way to do it, let's just go keep it this way, and on this one, let's just make it shake. All right, and so boom, up. You see it. It's a party. Now, could we do more? We could. But in a nutshell, that's basically how you make your interactive. Now, of course, answer the little sheets, but I just want to give you overall how you can do what you can do in here. We could do like 1,000 more things. We could have probably, like, if we put the arrow up, confetti could have fell down. But I just want to give you a gist of how things work, and keep it simple for this time. Thank you for allowing me to serve you. Later, days.